So, let's ano na. Hello everyone, I'm Deborah Laurente continuing the chapter 5.3. So, Tuba-Taharef Natural Park, 1993 and 2009. Tuba-Taharef Tuba-Taharef Natural Park lies in a unique position in the center of the Sulu Sea and includes the Tuba-Taha and Jesse Besley Reef. It protects an area of almost 100,000 hectares of high-quality marine habitats containing 3 atolls and large area of deep sea. So, the Tuba-Taha Reef, the property is home to a great diversity of marine life, like whales, dolphins, sharks, turtles, and Napoleon rays are among the key species found here. The reef ecosystem supports a 350 species of corals and 500 species of fish. The reserve also protects one of the few remaining colonies of breeding seabirds in the region. So, aside from that, endangered, makikita mo rin doon yung mga endangered species, yung hindi na pwede kunin or dakpin. So, the next is the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River Natural Park on 1999. This park features a spectacular limestone karst landscape with an underground river. One of the river's distinguishing features is that it emerges directly into the sea, and its lower portion is subject to tidal influences. The Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park was designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999 for its natural importance. It is commonly referred to by tourists as the underground river. The national park is located within a cave that you must travel by boat. The cave dome measures at about 300 meters in length, wherein it's filled with river channels, rock formations, and deep water holes. So, aside from UNESCO World Heritage, the Puerto Princesa was also named of the new Seven Wonders of Nature in 2011. So the next is the Hamigitan Range Silent Sanctuary. So, forming a north-south running mountain ridge along the Pujada Peninsula in the southeastern part of the Eastern Mindanao Biodiversity Corridor, the Mount Hamigitan Range Wildlife Sanctuary has an elevation range of 75 to 1,637 meters above sea level and provides critical habitat for a range of plant and animal species. So, the Mount Hamigitan Range Wildlife Sanctuary provides a sanctuary to a host of globally threatened and endemic flora and fauna species, 8 of which are found nowhere else except Mount Hamigitan. These include critically endangered trees, plants, and the iconic Philippine eagle and Philippine cockatoo. So, and provides critical habitat for a range of plant and animal species. The property showcases terrestrial and aquatic habitats, and the species that they host at a series of different elevations are responding to highly dissimilar soil and climate conditions. That's all. Thank you.